manege ntị ekenekwa mbụ n'ọzọ n'ụbọchị nke tata biko na I saw on your free home melon one day Yakabaro celebrate. So this video now is all about celebration and Ijuka Wesive one night workable Jpac. Congratulations, including Chief Imo. So they had a very rare opportunity to meet Evangelist Ebuka Obi yesterday. So you be here we bully home or they qualum Makano on your name and can melo. Jpac has so much defended Zion ministry with his strength and with his might, and with the second chance on with Ekembo Sinakande did your job weapon. I really thank God the way God has been using him. Yotago. Or the reason Shinaka on the Dibia weapon. Nakulu Chuku na nyagi second chance we connected to them mother the evangelist Ebuka Obi. Ameha kwam aka haka. Meet here. Obiera Kansoni again Nagabanoya Deleganama, including another opportunity with the wife Chief Imo. Chief Imo is somebody full ever since I knew Pelompe many years ago. So the reason can video if Chief Imo is ageless or that canka acquire every year on Nahakode Quakode. Nasan is my Nasi celebrate one Nagini Homa Melia and Kagia Bialagi. So this video as I can well celebrate here one night. Ọmenala bụ mmadụ nwụrụ sọsọ ka anyị post RIP mgbe mmadụ eme birthday ka anyị eme happy birthday o nwere ihe Ọmenala nwanne gị in between the line celebrate ya ebe nọ na I will celebrate people onye Ọmenala na we can just celebrate here Jpac today. Thank you and watch this video. I na share also.
One of the media team confirmed the post. So I'm going to first. When born at that somewhat. So actually, you know, I know na generation bona. And when Facebook, even Facebook now, fake pages. Also 200 fake people are mad. And I post to people channel more. Only page I want about one page. Zion prayer and it's verified. Yes. Every other one about scam pages. Okay, we'll manage. Yes. The rest Nina, which are 100, which are fake pages. And the more I'm on Facebook, most of things they are not about me. And then they come out sometimes. Media team, one of them we can play them in similar familiar. So I don't really have a personal Facebook page, and I meant my YouTube and well. Because I'm more too busy. Came over 2-3 years or 4 years. I'm a man. I have more than 2 hours. I work there at night. So I go some video twice. And more say okay. Everybody with a group of people. Monday pastor Sokorogo come on my a paint image here black because when they pull a crowd. When I am in a church, I see mother the baby. Different people. So I will that they should be encouraged. They should be appreciated. What I can never do in this life is mad or because you could do no. Even if I'm not you go mail or you to man. Because when you blame the look. When I you know what I'm doing, you're wasting your time. But the truth is that anybody, I'm on Israel. Yes. I go see some videos. In Israel. I'm Israel. Let us see my river. Jesus, so Emirates Jesus baptism. Jenna River, Sea of Galilee. So where he better go? Chibese go see me. West sister number, Western number went boy. Okay, when I know that access can date you, but in a business. Yes, ma'am. I got behind you, one says, but so, what I can be. Say, anybody or Bola, so far now, this brother belongs to the Cooking home in the midst of the Neku job. I have one them spiritual son, bring up. You have a memory and one memory. Oh, yeah, actually, was on Trump. So Chuku was saying, God bless you. I don't know you before. Or 1 or 2 weeks, play the video. May the Lord bless you and preserve you. In Jesus' holy name. Always do what is right. And don't do anything that is wrong. So far you keep doing what is right, you will go far. Here, Zion Ground is a prayer ground. Everybody is welcome. That's all. Also, is welcome. So God bless you for coming. In Jesus' holy name. Amen. Chief Imo, God bless you. God bless you. Imo one them. Oh yeah, dragging my God bless you. I like them. When you put your and better one and then actually the West time. Over on Kemikani. Yes, sir. And are they possible? Yes, sir. Are they possible? Yes, sir. You see, God, Chineke Bularangel, Omero, Nijinkie, and we will continue to move. Part of my industry not so much, but all Bukarikuru, no Bukari. Oyabana could be a Kakuya also. But when you belong to the highest altar, anybody looking for you is wasting time. Yes. That is why you could seek. God bless you. This is just your beginning. Amen. When you get to London, and the more they are looking after you, they will leave their own problem looking after you. Ebuka Obi is too busy. Ebuka Obi the senators will be have parade cheer for over 5 hours. Ebuka with them chance one personalities. Therefore, so Jessica, God bless you. I appreciate you. Ebuka, so far we endure job. Only over name here, please. May you appreciate. Yes. Also, they have one way my and actually, we hit you Makonya. Only I'm going to edit this in your and look on my Facebook. I make it a gossip of flame group. And make a dog has a gossip. I can't never win a bogus ceremony and sometimes other rooms. So, but I don't have no gossip. Appear some day media and appear such a one now. Such a one. Goes there. So, all here is also the order of everybody. So, everybody discriminates. Yes, so they did the energy with a child. I'm not going to hold you. I established the chief priest nowhere. Because I believe that is the work of Jesus Christ. You can't be discriminating. Who are you to even judge anybody? The person you think is your enemy today can be your best friend. Yes. So all things say home. Right down. Even when them paranoia, even when them paranoia, they back and them paranoia. Thank you very much. Yeah. Picture. One picture. One
I'm a in the channel the video ne like ile hina nkwa kabaro share like the video subscribe or like na YouTube I bukwa na Igbo Channels TV na YouTube bulukwa na Igbo Channel TV na Facebook kabaro follow Igbo notification gị so line enwetakwa notification Bobble na post video finance no adelo onye ọbụla na mma gakajazi mkpa wee bụrụ biko no share the video like the post and also don't forget to subscribe ka nwanụ mgbe ọzọ ndị Igbo